Hey, everybody. This is really cool. I want to give a big shout out to Daniel Castoreno for teaching me this. And then I turned around and I taught it to John Lawrence, and he's tried to teach it to some people, but I don't know if we should just spread it by word of mouth. So I thought I'd make a video. Did you know you can send memes? Here we go. You click on the stickers. I just scroll all the way down, and then meme is going to be right here. You can pick your image. Let's see, which one do we like? Oh, look at this sleepy koala. And then I can send this message and I can say, um, is this how you feel? And then go to the next line after searching for inventory. And I say done. And then I hit send. And boom, I just created and sent a meme to Miss Ashby. Pretty cool, huh?